guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you our headband wigs. So this is going to be really quick because they are so easy. Stay tuned. So here is the wig. It has Velcro straps in the back for additional security. It also has combs on the inside as well that I will use. And I am just going to put it on and I'm going to adjust it to where I want it to sit. We'll pull it forward just a little bit, but I want them up here to have leave out. This first style, I'm just going to do a simple style. I'm going to put on this cute little headband and fluff the hair out. This is the classic way to wear this wig. So simple and easy. You just put it on, fluff it, put your headband on, and you're ready to go. So the next style I'm going to do is a quick half up, half down. I'm just going to pull some of the hair up and leave some of it down. And I'm going to use this elastic bow to make me a ponytail up top. And then I'm going to tie this cute little leopard headband around. I'm going to tie it so that the bow for the headband is in the front. For the next style, I am going to pull all of the hair up into a ponytail. I am going to put my headband on first before I start to pull it up, and then I'm going to use this elastic band instead of a bow to secure the ponytail up top. Now this is a wide headband so that you can hide where the wig starts in the back. So for this style, you definitely need a wider headband for you to be able to pull it off. So this next style is going to be another one that is going to be up. I'm going to use a different band this time and try something new. So I'm going to take this one off, undo the elastic, and I'm going to use like this tube headband, okay? Now this is my first time using this, so bear with me as I attempt to do a style with this one. Listen, a mess. I'm giving like the brat tees from the 90s. Okay, let me see what I can do to make this doable. So let me see if I can try to bring it forward and do like a bun situation. Still looking a little off, so I'm gonna just pin it forward at this point. So I'm gonna Alright you guys, so as you can see, I did not know what I was doing with this last one, but what I ended up doing was just pinning the hair forward and making like a bun, because I think for what I was initially going for, the wig was too long. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will link this wig down below in the description box.